Another way to facilitate the creation of rules is to rely on the Snort community rules. So I'll just go to my web browser, and if I should go to snort.org, download rules. So these are the Snort community rules for version 2.9 of Snort and version 3. So depending on your Snort version, you download the community rule. So I've downloaded mine. If I go to my downloads, this is it here, and I can just extract a year. Okay, so this is the folder for my Snort community rule, and if I should open it, okay, let me just shift this here. So this is a set of rules that allow you to detect exploits, intrusions, malware network activity. So you can actually add this file to the rules in your Snort directory, but I just want to store mine here, and depending on any rule I need, I can just easily copy from here and add to my local rules. So I'll be demonstrating an exploit on EternalBlue vulnerability. So let me search for it here. Yes, EternalBlue. Okay, this is it right here. So the EternalBlue vulnerability is a vulnerability within the Windows SMB version 1 that allows you to perform remote code execution. So I can just copy the rule here, and I'm going to be pasting it on my local rules. So I'll just pause the video here and I'll come back when I've copied it. Okay, so I'm back to my local rules file, and here's the rule. I've pasted it in my local rules file. So the IDS is going to be scanning the network traffic, and it's going to check for this string here in the content, and also this string. It's going to see if the network traffic matches any of these signatures, and if it does, it's going to display this message to us that is a remote code SMB remote code execution attempt. So to carry out this exploit, I'm going to start up my Windows 7 virtual machine and my attacker's machine that I'll be using to carry out the exploit. So I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when my machines will be started. Okay, I'm back. My virtual machine is running, and I also have the attacker's machine here which is running. But before we begin, we need to start our IDS to be listening to the traffic. So let me just save this file. And now to start up my IDS. So the IDS is listening right now. So I want to carry out my exploit. So for that, I start the MSF console on the attacker's machine. Okay, and I can just search for the exploit I want to use. And I'll be using the first exploit here. So I just copy this. And I click use and I paste. Okay, I hit enter. Now we need to set our host, and for that I need to know the IP address of my Windows 7 virtual machine. So ipconfig. Okay, that's the IP address here. So I go back to my attacker's machine and I use the command set arrow hosts 10.0.2.15. Hit enter, and I can just hit exploit. Okay, so our exploit is running, and now we can go back to our IDS to see if it has detected it. Okay, as you can see over here, the IDS was able to detect the intrusion. It also specifies the port, which is 445, meaning it's an SMB vulnerability. So this is how we can use Snort to detect intrusions on the network. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.